Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how much money you have spent in Valorant in your PC. Let's get started. First, open any browser. In the search bar, type Valorant purchase history. Click the link that takes you to the official Riot Game purchase history page. Always use the official site to keep your account safe. Once the page loads, you will see a button that says login. Click it, then enter your Riot username and password, the same one you used to play Valorant. After logging in, Riot will take you to your account dashboard. Now on the page, look for purchase history. This is the section that shows every single transaction you ever made in Valorant. Once you click it, you will see a full list of everything you bought. Every purchase will show the data, the date, the amount you paid, and what you bought. At the top or bottom, Riot may also show a total amount you spent on your account. If not, you can simply add up the numbers, but usually the total is right there. Valorant itself doesn't show your total spending inside the game, so the website is always the best and most accurate way. Once you check it, you can close the browser and go back to play. And that's it. Now you know how to check how much money you have spent Valorant on. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.